Hello, and welcome back to Twinkle's How to Draw series. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a quacking duck. So, make sure you have your pencil and your pen, and let's get going. The first thing to do is draw an S shape in the middle of your page. This will act as a guide for our sketch of the duck's body. At the top of the S shape, draw a circle for the duck's head. Starting from the top of the circle, guide your pencil outwards to rejoin the curved line back to the duck's neck. Now, place your pencil at the bottom of the duck's head. Start to draw a line that curves outwards so that it goes underneath the S shape we drew. When reaching this point, finish the line by drawing a big circle, which will now be the duck's body. Then, draw a triangle shape coming out of the duck's head for its long, pointed beak. For our tail, we can start a line from the end of our neck, making a kind of triangle shape, closing with the rest of the body. Then we draw two guidelines for our feet. This is the sketch that we'll use as a guide to draw our final lines. As you've got this far, why don't you subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos? Now you've finished your basic shapes, it's time to pick up the pen and add in some more detail. Begin with a line from the top of the beak until the end of the neck. From the same point that we started at, we can now draw our beak. Don't forget to mark in an extra line underneath for the duck's mouth. Add in a W shape so our beak is outlined fully. Next, follow our long sketch line down the neck, all the way to the tip of its tail. Moving your pen to the bottom of the duck's neck, we can add in some elegant feather details. Follow our sketched line for the duck's back. Before reaching its tail, move your pen inwards to make a curved V shape. Using this line, carry on adding in more feathers. Finish off our tail with some feathers by drawing two M shapes and connect this to the duck's back. On the duck's head, draw a semicircle. Inside this, mark a curved line for its eye. Wow! Our drawing is starting to come together. All that's left to draw are our duck's webbed feet. Let's mark in a frill shape before we start. Next, draw two L shapes where one is slightly above the other. To finish this off, draw another M shape to bridge the gap. Do the same on the other foot. And that's about it. We're going to add in some extra feather details and a little highlight for the duck's eye. You now know how to draw a duck using just a few simple shapes. Thanks for joining us today at Twinkle Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.